Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I swatch these three colors. Did a good job this time because I am going to create a poison ivy eye look. And Rachel, this one is for you. I'm going to do my best to create it fantastic, let's just say that. Okay, I won't be doing a lot of talking in this video, but I plan to use two palettes. Queendom by Urban Vibes. I am going to use the red in here, this one right here, and the JUVIA'S Place Culture palette, and I am going to use two colors in here. Or maybe three. This green matte, this shimmer green, and I might use this lime green right here. I don't know yet. That is that. In the meantime, while I'm doing this, I'll be playing some music, which I'll mute because I don't want copyright. I don't know if I can do that on YouTube. But for now, hopefully my lighting is right. We are ready. Let us rock and roll. I am back with the Poison Ivy look, eye makeup look. My hardest problem was deciding what color scarf to use or if I should use multiple scarves, so it was a mess trying to figure that out. I am back with today's look and it is the Poison Ivy look. It is green and red and I try to incorporate all the green and red together, and the lips also. Rachel, this one's for you. I hope I did it justice. Today's word is by Robert Burns. It says, I want someone to laugh with me, someone to be grave with me, someone to please me and help my discrimination with his or her remark, and at times, no doubt, to admire my acuteness and penetration. Robert Burns says, I want someone to laugh with me, someone to be grave with me, someone to please me and help my discrimination with his or her remark, and at times, no doubt, to admire my acuteness and penetration. This is a beautiful day. Don't let fear stand in your way. If there is something that you'd like to do today, go out and step into fear and kick fear on the side and say, I am being brave today, I am doing it. Baby steps will get you there. Take a deep breath every time you feel afraid and clear your mind and move on. Little steps, baby steps at a time. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying to go out there and live a fabulous, beautiful day. And with this said, this is my Poison Ivy look. I will see you in another video pretty soon. And my book, which is now on Amazon, my first book. There's a series coming. So you can catch up on this one now. By the time the second one comes out, you'll be ahead of the schedule. Go ahead and purchase one and support me. Read it. Leave me a comment on Amazon and tell me what you think. And the link will be in the description below. I am saying bye. Bye.